Today we explain numerical of NEET which are related to Kohlrausch law. We write question number 5. Here we write NEET 2013. Question is at 223 degrees Celsius molar conductance of 0.1 molar aqueous solution of ammonium hydroxide is 9.54 ohm inverse Cm square mole inverse and at infinite dilution its molar conductance is 238 ohm inverse Cm square mole inverse. The degree of ionization of ammonia of ammonium hydroxide at the same concentration and temperature is question is at 23 degrees Celsius molar conductance of 0.1 molar aqueous solution of ammonium hydroxide is 9.54 ohm inverse Cm square mole inverse. It is the value of lambda m, which is called molar conductance of the solution at any concentration. The value of lambda m in the question is 9.54 ohm inverse Cm square mole inverse. And next statement is at infinite dilution its molar conductance is 238 ohm inverse Cm square mole inverse, which is the value of lambda infinitive m, which indicate molar conductance of the solution at infinite dilution. Its value is 238 ohm inverse Cm square mole inverse. In last statement, the degree of ionization of ammonium hydroxide at the same concentration and temperature is. Here we write alpha is equal to what? We know that alpha is equal to lambda m upon lambda infinitive m. The value of lambda m in the solution 9.54 ohm inverse Cm square mole inverse. The value of lambda infinitive m is equal to 238 ohm inverse Cm square mole inverse. These units are cut out. We remove the decimal point and write 954 upon 238 into 100. Two digits are present, therefore we write 20. These are cut out by 2, 4, 7, 7 and 119. We write 477 11900. Now we divide 477 divided by 11900. Answer will be. Now we convert in percentage and multiply here 100. 04008 into 100 is equal to 4.008%. It is a answer. Question 6, which is related to NEET. We write NEET 2013. Question is molar conductivities. Molar conductivities at infinite dilution of NaCl, HCl and CH3COONA are 1264.4, 425.9 and 91.0 Simon Cm square mole inverse respectively. Lambda infinitive m for CH3COOH will be ऑब्जेक्टिव है, इसीलिए लास्ट में क्वेश्चन में विल बी लिखता है. देखिए क्वेश्चन, मोलर कंडक्टिविटीज एट इंफिनिट डाइल्यूशन ऑफ NaCl, HCl and CH3COONA. These are 123.4, 425.9 and 91.0 Simon Cm square mole inverse respectively. Lambda infinitive m for acetic acid will be. These values are molar conductivity of NaCl, ACl and CH3COONA at infinite dilution. Here we write lambda infinitive m NaCl, which indicate molar conductance of NaCl at infinite dilution. The value of molar conductance at infinite dilution of NaCl is 126.4 Simon cm square and mole inverse. Now we write lambda infinitive m ACl, which indicate molar conductivity of ACl at infinite dilution. The value is 425.9 Simon cm square and mole inverse. Now we write lambda infinitive m CH3COONA, which indicate molar conductivity of sodium acetate at infinite dilution. The value is 91.0 Simon cm square and mole inverse. Now we calculate lambda infinitive m CH3COOH is equal to what? Now here we write lambda infinitive m CH3COOH. In CH3COOH, CH3COO called acetate ion and H called hydrogen ion. These it is present in sodium acetate and it is present in ACl. Both value are added. Here we write lambda infinitive m CH3COONA. It is present in the sodium acetate plus lambda infinitive m ACl. It is present in ACl. These are added and these are removed. Here we write minus lambda infinitive m NaCl. This minus indicate Na and Cl removed in sodium acetate and hydrochloric acid. We write the value of sodium acetate, which is 91.0. We write plus the value of ACl in the solution 425.9 minus we write here the value of NaCl 126.4. We write 126.4. We subtract 9 by 4, we get 5, 0, 11 by 2. Unit will be Simon cm square and mole inverse. Next question we write which asked in Jacmar, which is add in NEET. Question 7 is related to Jacmar. Question is if molar conductivities of calcium ion and chloride ion are 119 and 71 Simon cm square and mole inverse respectively. Then the molar conductivity of calcium chloride at infinite dilution is. Now we write answer. Question ask if molar conductivity of calcium ion and chloride ions are 119 and 71 Simon cm square mole inverse respectively. These are units. So here we write lambda infinitive m Ca2 plus the value of calcium ion in the question is 119. The unit is Simon cm square and mole inverse. We write here lambda infinitive m Cl minus is equal to 71 Simon cm square mole inverse. We write here lambda infinitive m CaCl2 is equal to what? It is a very simple question. We write here lambda infinitive m CaCl2 is equal to lambda infinitive m calcium ion. The valency of calcium in CaCl2 is 2. Here we write the number of chloride ion which is 2. Here we write 2 lambda infinitive m chloride ion. The valency of chloride ion here 1. Therefore we write minus. We put the value of calcium ion and chloride ion. Here we write 119 plus 2 into 7 1. 119 plus 2 41 42. We add 9 and 2 11, 4 and 1 5 Simon cm square and mole inverse.